life. It's all about market analysis, as I told you that we are only going to have market analysis on this live. No more trades, no nothings. Here I have some my trades that I have told you in my last stream about the BTC on 5th of the March. Here we have the view is totally bullish. I am very bullish on the Bitcoin, but when when it gave this fall and consolidated at this lower points, not taking its previous highs, then I have some bearish trades over here. I captured this movement in BNB, not in Bitcoin, which also moves the same as Bitcoin. Then add this consolidation, which is in this candle over here. I have my trade at this level. It almost gives me 1600 something points, but my target is about 200 points, which I can show you on my another app in Shark Exchange, which I can show you after some time after explaining all these concepts. So the concept over here is very simple. Market consolidated at this point. First time it gives a fake breakout. I didn't trade this. I have to trade this. It's a good inside candle, but it is not in my trading window. That's why I didn't trade this. Then market went back, take a rejection from this point, and then over here, as you can see, if I remove this, over here, it makes two negative candles, which is a sign of a bearish trend. So I short on this candle. My position is on at 67,900 something, and I have a stop loss of 300 rupees and a target of 2,000 rupees. So market comes in my favor about 16. It gives me about 1600 points, but then give a reversal, and I trailed my stop loss to this point. So my trailing stop loss hit at 67,500. And it went back again, and same the point from where it resist initially. It also resist this time is also resist from the same point, and it came down after the same setup sort of stuff that two bearish candles it made. And I also took an entry at 67,400, and this trade is still going. It is in profit of 200 something points, which I can show you on my different exchange, which is Shark Exchange, in which I trade. So here we have 67,179, which is the price right now. My internet is a bit slow, but it opens. So that's my first trade is about. Uh, my first trade is about at this candle over here at 730, which I give over here. Then when it comes down, I have my position is there, and it's going in this trade also give me around 650 600 points. Right now it's giving me around 300 points, which is almost 1:1, and my stop is at 67,700, जो कि एक ठीक ठीक stop loss है if you are making 2000 points against 300 points, which is almost about 1:67. That's a very good risk reward ratio, because at the end it's all about your risk reward ratio. It doesn't matter how good you analyze and sort, nothing matters. If your risk reward is not good, you'll never gonna make money in the market. So that's the trade. If uh, So let's analyze for tomorrow. So this is all about trades that I have, current positions, and the position I had taken previously. So let's back to the charts. Let's remove all these things. This is only to show you uh, what I traded. So now remove all this stuff, which is a kind of waste of time for us now. So let's start. So here we see, after let's go to the weekly charts first. So that I can explain you. Where is weekly? 7 days. Internet is not working that much good. So let's go here. Uh, if we have seen it coming down from the last few weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 it continuously fall. And when market falls that much one-sided move, then it is obvious to have a bit pullback as market gives a small doji, then give a pullback. I was thinking after this pullback, because if we look this pullback at daily time frame, if we look this at daily time frame, it looks really good. It looks like market tried to break this level again and again and again, and finally market and finally after a lot of time, market is able to break this level. As it breaks and it immediately reverses, it's a false breakout, totally false breakout. Now there is a huge possibility that market will come up to 62 60 है, मतलब मार्केट एक और बार फिर से इन सारे लेवल्स को टेस्ट कर सकता है जो नीचे के लेवल्स है, लाइक 57 58,000 के लेवल्स तक वापस आ सकता है. So here we analyze for the next week. So next week, market is a bit confusing mode. So if we look at the weekly charts, look at this. Market almost making red candles, red on red on red. This one, I think, I hope it close like this. If it closed like this, bearish hammer. So I think this looks very negative. If if it goes like this and if it able to cross 65,500 next week, then I'm looking that can move up to 60,000 or 62 to 60,000 in next week. So I'm very bearish on BTC. And if we break down it into hourly charts that I show you also in the daily charts, that markets give a false breakout. And if I show you in the daily hourly charts in which I plan my trades in BTC. So look at this. Market goes up. First time profit booking come. Market comes a little bit down. One more time buyers are interested to buy this one. They went, and second time profit booking come and it just collapse. The time it collapse, I have no I don't have any intentions after that to buy BTC, because it totally looks like negative. Market gives a big bearish fall, and it's like consolidating on this zone, and then it falls like I had expected. So the same one going on over here. The market has fall, consolidating, same. On this basis, I have planned my that rate over here at 67,900. It went in my favor up to 600 points. I didn't book it. I give my trailing SL because my target is about 2,000 points. I don't book my profits uh, like if it didn't reach my target. So right now it came back again up, resisting from the same level at this point, and I after having a rejection after this two candles, I have taken this trade. So the plan of action is this: for from tomorrow, if the market is able to break these levels like 66 500 something, then I am looking for the targets of 66 65 500 or 65,000 until. And if it gives another pullback, like if market did this, let's say market break this thing down and then come back to this levels and give me here some negative signs, then I'm gonna short this thing here on again to the target of 64 to 65,000. So that's my plan in BTC. That's how I'm gonna plan my trades. Uh, so uh, that's all about BTC. I hope you guys are having my market point of view. So that's all. That's all about my trades, and that's all about. I have told you about the markets and stuff. That's my trade going very great, having a profit of all around 300 something points, getting 1:1 right now, which is nothing for me. Right now, I'm gonna hold it up till I trail my SL to cost to my cost when market gives me around 1,000 points. Before 1,000 points, I don't even trail my stop loss to my entering position. So that's how I plan my trades. Thank you so much for watching. Uh, that's all for today. And oh, I forgot that also have to um, I also have to analyze gold for you guys. So there is a token. This token is XAU USDT. You will find it in Shark Exchange. Uh, you can get the link of the Shark Exchange in the disclaimer. So in the description, sorry. So let's go to the gold. In gold, I have a very good strategy. Let's say it's a coin. It's not a gold. It's a gold coin. So it moves 24/7. Right now, this coin is making a really good pattern. You can see it. This coin is making really good pattern over here like this. Well, it seems a little bearish right now, but if you're gonna take your position at like Saturday, Sunday, every Saturday, Sunday, it moves like this, uh, like moving right now. So you can do it like you can plan your trade. You can mark the highs and lows, which it makes on Saturday or Sunday, or you wake up at 4. You have to wake up a bit early to catch this trade because gold markets open at 4:30 according to Indian time. So at 4:30, it gives a really good move. It gives a really good move. If you want to capture that move, whichever side it breaks, you have to take your trade, not wait for any closing and sort of thing. If you done that, you will earn good amount of money. Let's say if I tell you about the last week, the last week it also done the same stuff. Let's say it's 21st year, that's the Sunday time, Sunday and the Monday time, I think. Let me check the dates when there is Sunday. uh, First, yeah, I am right. 1st of March and the 28th Feb, it's a Saturday and Sunday. So if we go and, oh sorry, if we go and have mark the highs and lows, that's it. That's the highs, that's the lows. You got it? Yeah. And at first, second, where it is, at this point, it gives me that breakout. And if I just entered this breakout, it gives me a really good amount of points. It gives me around, yeah, yeah, you can see it gives me 90 to 93 points, and capturing 90 to 93 points in golds is too much. So let's see how it behaves tomorrow. But if you want to capture this type of trades, you can trade in Shark Exchange, XAU USDT. It also have coins like, it also have, yeah, this is silver, XAG USDT. This is silver. This totally behaves like silver. And this is also have the same thing that I have told you in gold. It also behaves in the same way on Saturday and Sundays, like they like in just at one point. So the plan of action is that wherever side it breaks, just take a trade, having a stop loss of 10 to 15 points and having a target of 60, 70, and up to 100 points. So that's a very simple trading strategy that you can have on gold in Shark Exchange. Like I would say, it's the last 28 and 1st of March, and the same thing happened over here. Same and same again. And if we'll gonna 28 is a Saturday, then 22, 23, we can go up to here. And this one is 21 or 22 will be the Saturday, Sundays. So let's go over here. It did the same thing that I told you, making this, and at 22 at evening 6:30, it gives a breakout of this zone. It gives a breakout. If I take this trade, I could have make I could have made a very good amount of money. I haven't take silver. I like to trade gold more than silver because I don't know why. And that's all the market analysis for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the analysis. This live is going to be uploaded on my channel. So if you guys wanna see again or like it, so you will find it in my channel. And every night at 9 p.m. I will I will go live every day from Sunday to Thursday because Saturday, Sunday, there is no momentum in gold and in crypto B as well. There is a very low volume, so there is no point of making any live and sort of stuff. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you.